So hi guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 27th day of English speaking challenge. So if I would rather say about last day, then I could not come here because of my health. So today I'm very fine. So today if I would rather say about today, then I'm very fine today. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. So I can definitely make the videos, but I got very late. I got very late in waking up. So I was willing, no, I was thinking to not to come here. I should not make the videos today. I should not make the videos today. I was thinking of this. Yes. So somehow I managed to come here. So somehow managed to come here and making this video. So I'm very sorry about yesterday. I'm very sorry about yesterday that I could not come here and make the videos and make any videos. Okay. So whenever I try to do something, and if I get failed in it, then I feel regression. I feel regret. I feel regret. Then I feel regret. Yes. I I used to worry. I used to worry about me. I used to care about me because loving yourself, because self love is very important, so I really love myself very much, more than anyone. Yes, I don't love to the people so much, more than me. Yes, more than myself. Yes, so I love myself very much. That's why i have I have inculcated this habit into me. that's why i have that's why I'm developing this habit into me. Yes, I want to improve my speaking skill. That's why I every day used to come here and used to practice. I every day come here and practice it and practice it and practice it. Okay. So since today, I'll be consistent with my videos every day. So whatever the challenges comes, I'll face it. Okay. I will never give up. I will never quit. Okay. Because the person who faces the challenges boldly, then he one day he gets then one day he gets succeeded. Yes, I know very well. Yes, and there is no key to success but hard work. You need to hard work every day. So this is what what I'm doing. This is called hard work. Yes, dedication. I'm very dedicated with my goal. I'm very dedicated with my goal. I have to achieve it, then achieve it. Okay. So the video where I was making, so if I would rather say then why I'm back. So if I would rather say about today, then why I'm making this video over here, why I'm make why I'm making my video over here, why I'm shooting myself over here, and why I'm making this video over here. So actually there is where I used to make my videos. So over there is sunlight, and because of that I can't tolerate, and I was unhealthy also for the last two. I was unhealthy also. For the last 2 days, for the last 3 days, and I don't want to. Take any risk. I don't want to take any risk regarding my health. So that's why I came here. I told myself that let's go there, because there is there is shade there. There is shade there. So over there I should make my videos comfortably. I should make my videos in a comfortable manner. Comfortably, I can definitely make my videos comfortably. So that's why I came here. So guys, as you can see, it's been 5 minutes of my videos and still I'm speaking. So every day I used to talk to myself. You know why? Because I used to activate my mind. Yes, every day I used to train my mind that you have to speak in English, you have to think in English. Yes. So this is see, so this is one this is so this is one hobby, this is one habit that I used to do, that I used to train. And second habit is, and the second habit is, and the second habit of mine is to read, yes. Means whenever I go to my office, when I reach my office, so after cleaning and dusting, I used to take the Holy Bible, and I used to read it, at least one page or two page, yes, every day. So reading, so I have told myself that you have to follow this, habit. Okay, you have to follow this habit too. You have to follow this habit too. If you want to improve your spoken English, then read some read some books here, because you must have some materials, while talking, while talking. And if you don't have materials, then how would you speak? Yes. So if you are explaining about something, then you must have the knowledge about the topics, and you must have the knowledge about that thing that you are expressing, that you are expressing to someone, that you are expressing with everyone, that you are expressing to all, yes, to each one of us. So having good knowledge, on the topics, or having good commands in the languages, then it can lead to then it can lead you to a very good English speaker, yes. It is pointing out, it is pointing you out that you are a very good speaker, If I would rather say about writing, then I don't write anything, because writing takes so much time. And while you write when you write while writing, it takes so much time. You have to think, and it's right, you have to think and write, yes. So these are the processes that you have to do, okay. So I don't think so that by the help of writing, spoken English can be learned. I don't think so. Yes. So I have to tell you that, just start speaking. Just start speaking. Just start speaking. Yes. Because speaking is most important. And reading, writing, and listening is not so important. More than speaking. Yes. As much as, no, reading, writing, and listening is not that important, like speaking, yes. So I want you to speak, yes. If you want to become a very good communicator of English, then start speaking, yes. And by this way, you can be fluent. In your individual language. That you like the most, yes. So today I really trained my mind. I'm very thankful to me, because I'm able to speak today. And I did not care about the time that I got late. So I should skip this day. I should not make the video. Today. I did not care about this, because I have to be consistent. With my goal. I have to be consistent with my strategy. I have to be consistent with my strategy. So my strategy is to make videos, yes. And if I push myself every day, to my goal, what's my goal, then one day I will definitely get succeeded. Then one day I would definitely get succeeded in my goal, yes. So guys, So guys, my 10 minutes. So guys, my 10 minutes come. So guys, my 10 minutes is going to complete now. So guys, my 10 minutes is going to complete now. So I think I need to end up this video. And because if I would rather say about my phone, then the battery percentage of my phone is very less. The battery percentage of my phone is very less, and I need to charge it. And throughout the night, the light, there is no light, means that there was light, but in the single fuse. Yes, not in the double fuse. And because of that our inverter used the most. Our inverter has been used the most. Yes, means if I would rather say, then I can't use the motor also today, because we don't want to take any risk. My mother uses to tell me that don't use the motor today, do not feed the motor today. Yes, otherwise it will otherwise our our inverter will be destroyed. Yes. So guys, I'll see you. I will see you back. So guys, I will see you back into the other videos. So until you, take care, bye.